In chapters 5 and 6 of Book 3 in Dune by Frank Herbert, the narrative deeply explores Paul Atreides' growing leadership and strategic prowess within the Fremen community, set against the backdrop of the harsh desert landscape and the political and religious complexities of Arrakis. Chapter 5 opens with an epigraph from Princess Irulan that ponders the intersection of politics and Orthodox religion, hinting at the decisions leaders must face between opportunism and sacrifice. This theme resonates with Paul's experiences in the desert as he masterfully mounts a giant sandworm, using hooks to expose its underbelly to avoid contact with the sand, a traditional and daring Fremen method of transportation and dominance over the desert landscape. Although he successfully controls the worm, with the help of other Fremen climbing aboard, Stilgar, the Fremen leader, critiques Paul's technique as sloppy, a humbling moment for Paul, who acknowledges Stilgar's expertise and leadership. This event further cements Paul's integration and acceptance into Fremen culture, while also illustrating the internal and external pressures he faces concerning leadership succession within the tribe, particularly the expectation from the younger Fremen that he will challenge Stilgar for leadership. As the group rides the worm to the deep desert, desired by Paul to reconnect with his family and explore more of Dune, they encounter a smuggler aircraft. Here, Paul's quick thinking and strategic insight come to the forefront as he suggests using spice to bait and capture the smugglers, showcasing his dual identity as both Fremen Usul and Atreides, and his evolving understanding of the politics and economics of Arrakis. Chapter 6 shifts focus to the ambush and confrontation between Paul, Stilgar, their Fremen warriors, and Gurney Halleck's group of smugglers. The Fremen's superior combat skills and tactics quickly overwhelm the smugglers, culminating in a dramatic and emotional reunion between Paul and Gurney Halleck, who had believed Paul to be dead. This reunion underscores the deep bonds of loyalty and affection among the Atreides followers, with Gurney pledging his allegiance to help Paul defeat the Harkonnens. However, what should have been a straightforward victory turns complex when Sardaukar, disguised among the smugglers, launch a surprise attack on the Fremen. The ensuing battle is fierce, but showcases the Fremen's formidable combat abilities, with Paul narrowly escaping an assassination attempt. In a surprising move, Paul orders the Fremen to let the surviving Sardaukar go, a decision that demonstrates his keen tactical mind, aimed at sowing discord and misinformation among his enemies. The chapters conclude with Paul strategizing on how to assume leadership without having to kill Stilgar, a task he delegates to Chani and his mother, Jessica, despite Gurney's unresolved suspicion of Jessica as the Atreides traitor. This sets the scene for potential internal conflict within Paul's alliance, reflecting the broader themes of loyalty, leadership, and the intersection of personal, political, and religious imperatives that run throughout Dune. In summary, these chapters illustrate Paul's continual growth as a leader, his integration within Fremen society, and the complex interplay of strategy, loyalty, and power. His actions and decisions are a tightrope walk between maintaining honor and tradition within the Fremen culture, while also navigating the broader political and ecological stakes of Ar. If this video was helpful, please smash the like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next Bookly video in the comment section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.